Google Photos comes with your Gmail account, offering up to 15 gigabytes of free storage shared across various Google services like Drive, Gmail, and Photos. It's designed to automatically back up photos and videos, particularly on smartphones running Android or iOS. Part 229 Quick Solutions to Google Photos Not Backing Up. Solution 1. Maintain enough power. Solution 2. Toggle on backup and sync. Solution 3. Upload photos manually. Solution 4. Verify backup status. Solution 5. Backup phone folder. Solution 6. Check file size. Solution 7. Clear cache. Solution 8. Reconnect Google account. Solution 9. Update Google Photos. Part 3. Google Photos still won't back up? Try the best alternatives. Option 1. Utilize Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. Choose Mobikin Backup Manager for Android Win and Mac for seamless and secure Android backup. Efficiently back up your phone to your computer for quick recovery. Download and install the software on your computer. Connect your phone via USB, enabling USB debugging if needed. Open the interface and select Backup. Choose File Types. Click Browser to set the save location. Configure preferences and click Backup to start backing up your Android data to your computer. Option 2. Utilize Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS Win and Mac is an essential tool for iPhone users, allowing them to effectively manage and safeguard their iOS data. With this versatile software, you can easily back up and manage your data without any inconvenience. Install the program, connect iPhone via USB for automatic detection, choose file categories, tick desired files, click Export to transfer selected files from iPhone to PC. View detailed backup on completion.